Hapadang jonga Ïakren halor ka Mang Tyngka bala wanra daw menteri rangba ukonrat konkal sangma hakash pautere gulber araja apusan MLA kalyang sanshar ba kalyang persya kila yeng ban kren persya ya ka Jingai por ulampang Thomas sangma ka batang nyo minute ya ki MLA ka Jingai ya ka Lyngkot ka por lapen sngau daw MLA ka amlarem constituency na ka seg UDP uba lakmen rumboy ubala wanra da ka point of order na ka rule 302 bat na ka kompanya dorbar ba haba pen sngau ya ka ni uniu MLA kalyang sanshar ulaong Pakani kadai ka Ïakren bat ka Mang Tyngka bat ka Jingai por tang hinyo minute kadai ka baduna bha baladadlong deban ailat hadu khatsan minute nalor kata ulaong bau ngej bawat unong elam ka yingru unam dan ka jingsngo persya Nakaliang ulam pangpat ulaong bahaka hinyo tare ulaber araja arpusan ula dapan ai hadu laipo minute henry ka yeng ka thli om dan ki be banta bat naka jingbon ki nong banta ula kenjing ken bha bat ban phia ya kapor ha ka jingbon brio Habashem bentaya ka ni Dr. Mukul Sangma unoy lam ka liang persya ulaong ka Jingai por ka de ka baduna namar bah ka Business Advisory Committee ru ladap ban Ïakren halor ka ni ban kham ai por shu kham tam habadon ki nongmi khmat ki badang shusha jet thamai Hakabai de bagani ka jingwan ra ki nongmi khmat ya ka ni ka jingpan sngau jong ki halor ka por umentri rangba ukonrat kongkal sangma kham haden ulaong ukwa ba uru unyo khambon ka por ban juba ban kerpat ru bahabau juba ki nongmi khmat ki de ban don hapo ka dorbar
A point of order on rule 302 sir. So this is a budget discussion, general discussion of budget. So I request you sir 7-8 minutes is too less a time for an honorable member to express the desire of their constituent. If you kindly keep at least 15 minutes to all, at least it will be do justice to their constituents. Because this is a budget, it's a question of 30,000 crore to be passed. So 7-8 minutes. So kindly sir consider, because that is the request of other
yes,
members.
I have 30 members, all members of the House, almost all the members in both the Treasury and the opposition best have requested time for to speak. Last Friday, we had given enough time. I had given even 30 minutes, but most of the House were empty. This is not, I mean, I cannot consider
Sir,
like that. Today is the last day for discussion. I still am giving almost 2.5 hours today for discussion.
So kindly extend more time, sir.
150 minutes I've given.
So kindly extend more time because
I still have 25 members to speak. Now, if I divide by 150 minutes, I get only 6 minutes, but still I'm giving you more time.
So this is a request, sir, because it's a budget discussion, sir.
But
Aspiration of a thing. So I don't think the leader of the House also will mind extend the time beyond one.
You are wasting the time. Please, I will regulate accordingly. Charles Mangnar, please.
To the discussion in the Business Advisory Committee itself, because we made it abundantly clear that the House must be able to really scrutinize the budget. Now, 7 minutes, 10 minutes, honorable members, and we have quite a substantial number of newly elected members.
I'm giving
Mr.
5
Speaker,
hours,
sir,
please, member.
Our submission in the Business Advisory Committee was that we will extend the time. We will extend the time. That was the agreed principle.
Yes, that's why I'm
saying
I will regulate the time.
Honor that agreed principle. I'm sure other honorable members are not aware of that. What was the internal discussion? No, it is not a wastage. It is a appeal based on what we discussed in the Business Advisory Committee.
I will regulate the time accordingly.
Yeah. So kindly extend the time. Otherwise, 10 minutes, 10 people, 100 minutes, 15, 30 people, 60-member House, Mr. Speaker, sir, other than the ministers, everybody might be willing to speak. It helps us. It helps the state. It helps the government. Right. It is a budget session, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you. Point noted. I am already given 5 hours of discussion for this budget meeting. Last week, most of the members were not had not given the time. Who was given the time? I had given them opportunate time to speak also. I had given particularly to one member from the opposition bench to speak even 30 minutes. But most of the seats were empty. This is very unfortunate. But still, I will regulate the time. I will consider it.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir. Sir, keeping in mind the different points that have been mentioned by so many of our members regarding an opportunity to speak in the budget debate. Sir, I also agree with our honorable members. This is important, sir. So therefore, as you feel appropriate, sir, I personally also feel that extension of time should be given so that members can participate.
Yeah.
But I also request, sir, that extension of time is given to me also to reply. And also my request, sir, is that if all the members could stay when I reply, sir.
Yeah.
So it's important to listen to both sides of the story. Okay. So I request, sir, that whatever extension is required, whether it is for the members to speak or whether it's for me to reply, sir, I urge two things, sir, that it should be given. And when the reply is also given, sir, I request that as far as possible, members should stay, because as I said, we should have the passion to speak and we should have the patience to hear also.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la Ïakren diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi panai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.